So I'd just like to talk a little bit about IVF pregnancies, which is obviously something I do have a lot of experience of, because quite often I will have supported somebody through their IVF cycle and then been lucky enough to support them all the way through their pregnancy. So normally after you've got your positive result and you've had your early scan, you just get discharged back into normal midwifery care, which is great because you're pregnant, you know, the same as everybody else who's pregnant. But when it starts to change again is when you get towards the end of your pregnancy. So this is when, you know, people will start to say, we want to induce you, we don't want you to go past your due date. So different hospitals have different policies regarding this. So if your pregnancy has been, you know, very uneventful, which is what you want, and healthy throughout, and you feel good and you're feeling really good movements, then, you know, you might want to try and negotiate with the hospital around this and see if they might let you go, you know, a few days over or a week over. Certainly, I know that some of my ladies, you know, the hospital have been quite happy to let them progress in this manner. If you're over the age of 40, the chances are, and it's your first baby and it's an IVF pregnancy, they're much more unlikely to want you to go over your due date. So in that circumstance, acupuncture is great. So I have done another video entitled Pre-Birth Acupuncture, so you can watch that, which contains a lot more information about how we can support you with special points that are used during pregnancy to help the cervix to ripen and to help your body prepare for labour. So quite often people will come to me, if there's IVF, then I might start from week 34, and to come for weekly treatments you can come to my low cost clinic in Broadway Market, which is £35 per session, and to come for a weekly treatment basically to support your body to go into labour naturally before you are induced.